Hello guys, hope all is well. In the previous video we learned how to scrape data from single page. In this video we will learn how to scrape data from multiple pages. Here you can see the button next. When we click on this, the next page data will appear here and up to so on. So our goal in this video is to write xpath expression for this button and then integrate it with the old code so we can scrape data from multiple pages. So let's move toward this. Press F12 from the keyboard for this window and then the arrow option and then click on next. It show a element for this button next, but you can see here that a element has no attribute on the basis of which we can separate it from the rest of elements. So we will focus now on the li element and it has attribute class next. So press Ctrl plus F double slash name of the element li brackets at the rate name of the attribute class is equal to value next and then close. A is inside the li, so for accessing it write single slash and then a. Now we write xpath successfully. The second step is to integrate it inside this code. So in the previous video I shared that we use driver.find elements like this. Driver.find elements by xpath and driver find element by xpath. So this one having s for multiple elements while this is for single element, and currently the element is only one in this case for next button. So you think that we will use this, we can use this, but also we can use the driver.find elements by xpath. We can use find elements by xpath for single element, but we can't use the find element by xpath for multiple. Now I will show you that why I will use find elements by xpath in this case for avoiding error. So I am showing you now. I am removing this and this. So drive find element by xpath and now this and this, and just Control A, Control C and then paste it here. So how this code works, so let's suppose first it is on first page, it's grab data and come here, it find the next button and then I will write that click, so dot click, then here I will write go to top. This is the statement in VBA to repeat some task, so that's why I am interested in repeat this, because when it's moved toward the next page so we need to scrape this data again. So I am writing here top. So now what's the problem with this? If I write this, so on the first page it scrape data and come here and it find the button click and then come here again. So when it's on last page, let's suppose currently this website that we are interested in scraping data up to show 10 pages, so when it's on 10 page on 10 page you will not find this button element, so in this case it show error. So if you write this also you can it, but here you will write like this: on error go to bottom. So you will write here bot, because on 10 page it show error if you not include it like this. So for avoiding error, that's why I will use find elements in a loop. So loops work like this: if it's find element, it's come inside the loop, and if not, just ignore it. So that's why I am using here find elements by xpath. So now here for each ele in driver dot find elements by xpath, next ele, and then like this, and control a, control c, and then paste it here, control v, and then ele dot click. And here I will include wait, because when we send request to website it takes up to 3 times if website is good. If some website takes a lot of time, I mean more than 3 seconds, so mm, include wait time according to the website time. So here this website it's too good response time, so that's why I include 3 seconds. And then go to top. Now this is empty. When I run the code it will scrape the total 10 pages, and on each page 10 codes, so 100 codes will be here. So now I am running this code. Now you can see it is on 2 page, 3 page, 4, 5, and now 5 pages remaining, so we have to wait for this. When it is on 10 page, after it close automatically. Now done. And now you can see here the codes, the other name, and the total are 101. So the one row is for the title, so total 100. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please ask in comment. I will update according to your query. And if you like this video, kindly share it and subscribe my channel for more video. Thanks for watching this video.